This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a policy in Supabase. Whether you're just getting started with Supabase or looking to enhance your database security, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your policies are set up correctly. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Supabase website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in supabase.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find yourself at the hub of your projects and resources. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to select the project where you intend to create your policy. After clicking on your desired project, you'll be taken to the project's dashboard. This is your command center, where you can access various tools and options related to your project. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice a menu. From this menu, click on Database. This will take you to the heart of your project's data management system, where you can control and organize your tables and policies. Once you're in the Database section, look for the Tables option and click on it. This will display a list of all the tables that are currently part of your database. Each table represents a different set of data stored within your project. After locating the table to which you want to apply a policy, click the three dots next to its name. This will open a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the table. From this menu, select View in Table Editor. This action will take you into a more detailed view of your table, allowing you to manage its specific settings. In the Table Editor, look for the RLS Policy tab and click on it. RLS stands for Row-Level Security, a key feature that allows you to define who can access or modify data within your tables based on specific criteria. With the RLS Policy tab open, you'll see an option to Create Policy. Click on this to start the process of setting up your new policy. You'll be prompted to enter a policy name. Choose a name that clearly describes the policy's function or the data it affects. This will make it easier to manage your policies in the future. After naming your policy, you'll need to define its behavior. Select Policy Behavior as your clause, and then choose the appropriate policy command for your clause. This step is crucial as it determines how your policy will interact with the data and what operations it will permit or restrict. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a section labeled Templates. Here, you can select from a variety of predefined templates to insert into your policy. These templates can significantly speed up the process, providing you with a framework that you can customize to fit your specific needs. Once you've configured your policy, double-check your settings to ensure everything is as you intended. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Save Policy to finalize your new policy. This action will apply the policy to your table, enhancing its security and ensuring that data access is appropriately managed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a policy in Supabase. Remember, creating policies is an excellent way to maintain control over your data and ensure that only authorized users can access or alter it. Keep exploring and experimenting with different settings to find the best configuration for your needs. Thank you for watching and happy data managing.